So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a turmeric mask. So here I'm mixing up, this is garbanzo bean flour and turmeric powder. So I'm just giving it a mix, making sure it's all combined. And now I'm going to start washing my face. You know, we need to start with a clean face. It's important to clean your face before you do this. So just use whatever cleanser that you already use. That's what I'm doing, making sure everything is clean. Then once you're done with that, I'm adding in witch hazel. And everything that I'm using will be in the description box below. So if you want to make this mask as well, I will leave the links. You can click on it. This is vitamin E oil. This is too thick. Do not do this. You want to make it more smooth. You want it to look like this. You want to be able to scoop it. You want it to be somewhat liquidy, but really like a paste. It should be a paste like this. This is the consistency that you want. So I'm just going to use my fingers and smother it on my face. I'm just using my fingers to smooth it onto my face and my neck and wherever else you want to put it. Yes, girl, we're getting fine. We are getting fine, okay? Don't expect for this to work if you only do it 1 or 3 or 5 times. You need to be consistent. At least try it out for 1 month. So you need to wait until it dries. Now it's dry. To save time, it's better to get in the shower, and so that's what I did. I'm out the shower and dressed and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.